Hi, my name is Michael Sanowski, and I'm with Culinary Depot as a chef consultant. And here today we're going to talk to you about the Vitamix Quiet One commercial blender. The Vitamix Quiet One blender has a lot of different applications. Where can you use it? The reason why it's called a Quiet One is because it has the sound deadening hard plastic shell. Okay, so you'll see when we go to do something in a minute that it'll be a lot quieter, you won't hear it. So cafes, busy bars use it, smoothie shops, juice bars, grocery stores. There's so many different applications for the Quiet One blender. It's if you want to keep it so that it's nice and quiet, if you have a small location, you have tiny ceilings. In the city a lot we sell a ton of these. We sell them to coffee shops as well. So there's many different uses for the Quiet One blender. Today what we're going to show you is we're going to make a watermelon mint smoothie because it is summer, right? So we want to use some seasonal ingredients. And we're also going to show you how you can make a frappuccino. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. So a little bit about the Vitamix blender. First of all, it's got a hard plastic container here that if it's dropped, your staff drops it, it's not going to break, it's not going to shatter. Okay? The container, as you can see, seals very well. It's harder to get open. All right. It has multiple settings. So if you just want your employees set, hit number 1 for watermelon frappuccino, number 2 for smoothie, number 3 for something else, you can always have it pre-programmed. You can pulse, and it has different levels in terms of pulsing. You can pulse at 100%, you can pulse at 10%. Also, here you have speeds, and the speed is adjusted here, and you have your start and stop button right there. So I'm not going to give you an exact recipe. What we're going to do is we're kind of feel. So you're going to probably need about 2 cups of ice, give or take. Right, what we have here probably is about 2.5 cups of watermelon, and I have some fresh mint leaves. The mint leaves we're just going to put in here. Okay, you could chiffonade them if you want. I'm going to blend it all together, so we don't need to do that. We did small diced watermelon, and then we have here some agave. A little bit of agave for sweetening. Okay, now it's just as easy as pulling up the top of the container, putting the blender in, closing the container. What we're going to do, we have it preset to 1. So now, if this were a regular blender, you'd hear that screaming and cracking of the ice. This, it's a little subdued. Obviously, you're still going to hear it. It is a machine. Just making sure it's going to stop. That's all. Okay? And just like that, so now we have a delicious watermelon mint smoothie. Garnish it with a little mint leaf. If you want, you could do, that's when you can do the chiffonade. That's the best part, although now I'm leaking all over the place. And there you go.